In today's video, we're going to talk about Antacid Maximum Strength. This medication is used to treat symptoms of too much stomach acid, such as stomach upset, heartburn, and acid indigestion. It can also relieve symptoms of extra gas, like belching, bloating, and feelings of pressure or discomfort in the stomach or gut. Simethicone, one of the active ingredients in this medication, helps break up gas bubbles in the gut. The aluminum and magnesium antacids work quickly to lower the acid in the stomach. It's important to note that liquid antacids usually work faster and better than tablets or capsules. It's worth mentioning that this medication works only on existing acid in the stomach and does not prevent acid production. It may be used alone or with other medications that lower acid production, such as H2 blockers like cimetidine or ranitidine, and proton pump inhibitors like omeprazole. When it comes to using this medication, it's important to carefully read the package instructions before starting to ensure it is the right product for you. Some products may have similar brand names but different active ingredients with different uses. Taking the wrong product could harm you. If you have any questions about your product or its use, it's best to consult with your pharmacist. As for the optimal timing and dosage, it's recommended to follow the instructions on the package or as directed by your doctor. Remember to take this medication as needed, but do not exceed the recommended dosage. It's also helpful to know that this medication can be taken alone or with other acid-lowering medications, but it's important to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about drug interactions or potential side effects. That's all for today's video on Antacid Maximum Strength. I hope you found this information helpful. Stay tuned for more AZ medication videos. When taking Antacid Maximum Strength, it's recommended to take it by mouth after meals and at bedtime, as needed. Make sure to follow the directions on the product package or as directed by your doctor. If you have any concerns or questions, don't hesitate to ask your doctor or pharmacist. If you're using the chewable tablets, be sure to chew thoroughly before swallowing and drink a full glass of water. For the liquid form, shake the bottle well before pouring each dose and measure it carefully using a medication spoon or cup. Avoid using a household spoon as it may not provide the right dose. Refrigerating the suspension may improve the flavor, but do not freeze it. The liquid form works best when taken without other fluids, but you can mix your dose with a little water if needed. It's important to note that this product may interact with other medications, such as digoxin, iron, pazopanib, tetracycline antibiotics, and quinolone antibiotics. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist about how to schedule your medications to prevent any potential issues. If your acid problems persist or worsen after using this product for a week, or if you believe you have a serious medical problem, seek medical help immediately. Additionally, if you're using this medication regularly on a daily basis for more than 2 weeks, it's crucial to consult your doctor to determine if this is the right medication for you. Possible side effects of Antacid Maximum Strength may include nausea, constipation, diarrhea, or headache. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to promptly inform your doctor or pharmacist. The magnesium in this product can cause diarrhea, but using an antacid that contains only aluminum along with this product can help control diarrhea. On the other hand, the aluminum in this product can cause constipation. To minimize constipation, it is recommended to drink plenty of fluids and exercise. It's important to note that diarrhea is more common with this product than constipation. If your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, it's because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the risk of side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. It's also important to be aware that aluminum-containing antacids can bind to phosphate in the gut, potentially causing low phosphate levels, especially with long-term use in large doses. If you experience symptoms of low phosphate such as loss of appetite, unusual tiredness, or muscle weakness, it's crucial to inform your doctor immediately. In rare cases, a serious allergic reaction to this drug may occur. If you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical attention immediately. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not listed above, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before taking Antacid Maximum Strength, it's important to discuss with your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to aluminum hydroxide, magnesium, or simethicone. This product may also contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. If you have health problems such as frequent alcohol use, dehydration/fluid restriction, or kidney problems, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. Antacid Maximum Strength may contain aspartame, so if you have phenylketonuria, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to restrict your intake of aspartame, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this drug. Additionally, if you have diabetes, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist about using this drug safely, as it may contain sugar. For pregnant women, this medication should only be used when clearly needed, so it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. And for breastfeeding mothers, it's important to consult your doctor before using this medication. Remember to always check for any potential drug interactions with your doctor or pharmacist. Antacids can interfere with the absorption of many other drugs, so it's important to be cautious. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, and herbal products, and share it with your healthcare providers. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with Antacid Maximum Strength are phosphate supplements, like potassium phosphate, and sodium polystyrene sulfonate. Before taking antacids with any other medication, be sure to check with your pharmacist. And remember, always follow the directions on the label for the recommended daily dosage and the best time to take this medication. If someone has ingested too much Antacid Maximum Strength and experiences severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, they should call 911 immediately. Otherwise, they should contact a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Make sure to attend all your medical and lab appointments as recommended by your healthcare provider. In addition to taking Antacid Maximum Strength, lifestyle changes can also help improve your condition. Stress reduction programs, quitting smoking, limiting alcohol intake, and making dietary changes, such as avoiding caffeine, fatty foods, and certain spices, can all contribute to the effectiveness of this medication. It's a good idea to discuss with your doctor or pharmacist about any lifestyle changes that might be beneficial for you. If you are using this medication regularly and forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it is close to the time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the regular time. Do not double the dose to catch up. When it comes to Antacid Maximum Strength, it's important to store it at room temperature and away from light and moisture. If you have the liquid form, storing it in the refrigerator can help improve the taste, but be sure not to freeze it. It's also important to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of Antacid Maximum Strength, it's important not to flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, make sure to properly discard the product when it's expired or no longer needed. If you're not sure how to do this, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.